What historical events shaped research ethics? The development of research ethics is a fascinating journey shaped by significant historical events. These events revealed unethical practices and prompted the creation of guidelines to protect individuals involved in research. Before the 20th century, there were no formal regulations overseeing research ethics. Medical experimentation often lacked proper oversight and consent from participants. A notable early step toward protecting consumers was the Pure Food and Drug Act of 1906. This act required safety in drugs, indirectly influencing research practices. One of the most impactful events was the exposure of Nazi medical experiments during World War II. Prisoners in concentration camps were subjected to cruel and inhumane experiments without their consent. The Nuremberg trials, held between 1946 and 1947, prosecuted these horrific crimes. This led to the creation of the Nuremberg Code in 1947. This code established essential principles for research ethics, including the necessity of voluntary informed consent and minimizing harm. While not legally binding, the Nuremberg Code became the first internationally recognized set of research ethics principles. Following this, other unethical studies highlighted the need for stronger protections. The Tuskegee syphilis study, which lasted from 1932 to 1972, involved African American men being deliberately left untreated for syphilis to study disease progression without their informed consent. Similarly, the Willowbrook hepatitis experiments on children raised serious ethical concerns about research on vulnerable populations. In response to these events, the United States passed the National Research Act in 1974. This act led to the establishment of institutional review boards to review and oversee research involving human subjects. That same year, the Belmont Report was published. It outlined 3 core ethical principles for research: respect for persons, beneficence, and justice. Other important milestones include the Declaration of Helsinki in 1964, which expanded on the Nuremberg Code by providing detailed ethical guidelines for medical research worldwide. The Badewal Act of 1980 also influenced the relationship between research, funding, and commercialization. From an ethics and morals perspective, these events collectively representing a growing recognition of the moral obligation to respect human dignity, autonomy, and welfare in research. They reflected a shift from viewing research subjects as mere tools to recognizing their rights and the ethical responsibilities of researchers. Today, practical applications include mandatory informed consent, ethical review processes, and ongoing monitoring to ensure research is conducted with integrity and respect for participants' rights and well-being.